So here I have my Microsoft Word, which is very old. It's from 2007, but this will work also in newer versions of Microsoft Word. So if you want to use DeepL or Google Translate or ModernMT with Microsoft Word, then it's very easy, but you just need to use an additional piece of software. This software is called Bohemicus, which we have here. And first thing you need to set up is the language combination. So as you can see here in this Microsoft Word, we are translating from English. So let's set it up in Bohemicus as English. And we will be translating into Czech. So I can leave the target language as Czech. And also I can specify which translation engine I would like to use. So I can choose Google or My Memory or DeepL or ModernMT. So in this case, let's use DeepL. And that's actually it. Now we are set up to translate text in Microsoft Word. So the procedure is as follows. If you want to translate something, you just need to select it like this, and then you press Ctrl+Alt+Space. And as you can see, it will be nicely translated into Czech. So we can select this one, Ctrl+Alt+Space, and it's translated. And this one, translated, this one, translated, and so on. You get the idea. So as you can see, translating in Microsoft Word or in actually any text editor, be it Microsoft Word or LibreOffice or OpenOffice, it's very easy. You just need to use this special piece of software, which is called Bohemicus. Bohemicus is a special tool for translators, for journalists, for writers, for authors. It's especially helpful if you need to use machine translation or if you want to dictate your text instead of typing it. And it also includes many features which are especially useful to translators, such as looking up terms in online or offline dictionaries by just pressing a hotkey, very easy Googling, again by just pressing a hotkey, or taking notes, or even invoicing your jobs and keeping records of your translation jobs. So simply go to the web page, which is which I will include below this video to find out more. So thank you very much for watching.